I get these questions all the time on TikTok. What items can I sell on Amazon? Everything I scan here at TJ Maxx, Walmart, or Target says it requires approval. I can't sell anything on Amazon. I'm gated. I just started selling on Amazon, and most of the products I scan, I get a request approval to sell. What should I do? I have an Amazon seller app, but most of the time it says I need approval to sell this item. Why? What am I doing wrong? I get it. There is nothing more frustrating than start to selling on Amazon and everything that you scan comes up restricted. If you're having this problem, you can look for products to scan in these categories: lawn and garden, pet supplies, outdoors, tools, and home improvement. Every new Amazon seller can sell 99% of products in these categories. My tip for new Amazon sellers is to invest your money in products that you can sell first. Then later you can apply to get ungated in major categories like groceries, the subcategory toys, pet food, pet care, and topicals. When you get to the point that you want to get ungated in all these categories, I have ungating guides for all these categories. You can go to fulltimecommerce.com to check it out. Remember to subscribe for more videos on how to sell on Amazon and comment below what has been the best category for you selling on Amazon.